So good day guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to download and install fonts on your PixelLab. So first of all, let me go to my font here. Let me go to font here. Let me click on my fonts. So you can actually see I don't have any inventory of any font here. So what I will do is I will go to my Chrome browser, and then I will search for thefonts.com. So other websites to get fonts are actually fonts.google.com and then 1001fonts.com. You can actually get your fonts there. So let me click on this. So you can actually see the interface of their website here. So let's take an instance. You have a particular font on your mind. You can actually search for it here at this search bar. So if, for instance, I want to download this font here, so I will click on here. Download. So let me just click on it. It's actually downloading. The moment you click on it, it's actually downloading. So let me click another font here. It's actually downloading. So let me open it. So you actually see it's a kind of zip file. It's a kind of zip file. So what I will do is I will go to my file manager. Let me go to my file manager. And then let me go to my download. Where is my download? Sorry. See my download here. So what I will do, I will search for that particular font. Let me search for that particular font. You can see the font here. Yeah, actually here. See it here, the first one, and then see the last one here that we downloaded. So if you can see it is actually zipped. It has a zip at the end, so that means we have to extract it. So to extract this font, you can actually go to the archiver. See it here. I usually use this in order to unzip my file. So what I will do is I will go to the archiver here. So it will actually direct you to your file manager. So what I will do is I will click on download and then locate where the fonts are. Let me locate them. So if you can see it here, this one and then this one are the ones that we actually download. So I will click on it and then you will see this popping up. So I will click on here, extract here. So you actually see it has been extracted. See the one that is extracted here. So if you actually extract it, it usually have either OTF at the end. You can actually see something OTF at the end, or maybe you can see TTF. So let me extract this one too. Yeah, it has been downloaded and it has been extracted. So what I will do now is I will go to my PixelLab. So let me go to fonts here. So after clicking on font, go to my font here. I will actually go to here, click here, my file manager. It will direct me here to my file manager here. So I will click on download here. So I will go and locate that font that we actually extracted. So you can see it here. You can see one. I click on one. You can see the other one here. So I will just press on select here. So you actually see the fonts here. So these are the fonts here. Let me click on this. So you actually see how this one is. So let me click on the other one so that we can see the appearance of it. So see it here. You can actually see how it is here. So here is just how to download and then install your fonts using PixelLab. Yeah. So if you actually want to delete your font, you can click on this delete. So today I will be giving out almost 1000 fonts today. So check on the description link. You will see a link to my YouTube channel video that will actually lead to the fonts. So I actually have more than 1000 videos to fonts to give out today. So if you actually want, just go to the description menu, you will see link to my YouTube channel. You will see link to my YouTube channel where I actually emphasize on how you can actually install them, because I already downloaded them and it is a kind of book file. So you can actually get the gifts from me. Thank you very much for your time. Please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.